China carried out the first test flight of its new Y-30 military transport aircraft on December 16, 2025, taking an important step toward fixing a long-standing weakness in its airlift fleet. While the PLA Air Force already operates the large Y-20 strategic transport, that aircraft is simply too big and expensive to use for every mission. The Y-30 is being introduced to handle jobs that do not need a heavy airlifter, giving commanders a more practical and flexible option for regional and tactical operations. The new aircraft is meant to gradually replace older Y-8 and Y-9 transports, which have served for decades, but are now held back by aging airframes and outdated systems. The Y-30 sits neatly between the Y-9 and the much larger Y-20, filling a gap that has existed for years. With an expected payload of around 25 to 30 tons, it offers a clear improvement over the Y-8 and Y-9, which typically carry only 15 to 20 tons. Design choices show that the Y-30 is built for efficiency and versatility, rather than sheer size. It uses 4 turboprop engines, favoring lower fuel consumption and strong performance from short or poorly prepared runways. The aircraft is smaller than Europe's A400M, but it follows a similar design philosophy, with a high wing, rear loading ramp, and turboprop power. Its wing layout is closer to the C-130 Hercules, optimized for low-speed handling and short takeoffs, while winglets help improve efficiency. A T-tail keeps airflow clean around the tail and cargo door, and the robust landing gear suggests it can operate from rough airstrips. In service, the Y-30 is expected to handle a wide range of missions, including troop transport, resupply of forward bases, airdrops, medical evacuation, and disaster relief. Its size allows it to operate from smaller airfields that larger aircraft like the Y-20 cannot use. Over time, special variants are also likely, such as maritime patrol, early warning, and electronic warfare versions. Together with the Y-20, the Y-30 completes a balanced transport fleet, giving China the right aircraft for both everyday missions and major strategic operations.